So you would put sunblock on, SPF 15. So if you burn in 10 minutes, you would get that SPF 15, 15 times 10, and that's how long you won't get burned for.
You can't
Hello,
see me.
this is educating.
What's up, guys? So today is, oh my god, what is on my screen? No! So today is vlog number 2. We're gonna try and keep the momentum going. I am on my way to work and it's pouring rain outside, as you can see. If you can't see, then you gotta trust me. I'm gonna run to my bus. It's coming any minute. I'm gonna try to do this cool thing with the, because we're filming on a GoPro and it's the new one where it's totally waterproof right off the bat. So I don't have an umbrella, but I'm gonna put on my coat and I'm gonna take you in the rain with the camera and see how cool it looks, and then take you along with me on my way to work. It's kind of hard to vlog at work because I work as a buyer and everyone's all sitting around and talking professionally and stuff, so I don't think a lot of them want to be on camera. So probably it'd be my way to work, then my way home from work, and then what we're doing at home. So let's see what I can get done today and we'll go from there. Well, I might not be able to show you as much as I'd like to. Please excuse my hilarious hood, because my GoPro is dying as we speak. But let's see if we get some cool rain footage. Not so much. Alright, so I'm walking to the bus now. Hopefully it's here soon. And I'll try and get what I can on the way to work before it dies. You know? Bam.
Say Mel. Mel. Has it been eaten?
Bark, 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 bark.
Hi.
What's that screaming? What are you screaming about?
Oh, monster.
Woo! You want to see it?
This looks like it's like cloth.
It is.
Good boy. No, I think it's like a vinyl. Good mushy.
Oh, look!
I like this. It's a cool like.
Yeah.
You put bacon bits in? It comes like that. Oh. Don't edit anything. You're
I'm gonna edit everything.
Victoria.
Is that
Here was
good?
someone else that was.
John, is that good?
I'm the only cook here. Ah! That was a $200 blunder, for Christ's sake.
Well, I think it's actually really
Turned green.
Ew. How long did you keep them for?
It's so nice. Look how pretty they look. It was all molded.
How long did you keep them for?
How do I know?
Imagine, John.
You made them and we're in
And you cooked them.
Imagine.
I came
Papa
home with
was
them.
going to eat them. No, we don't have a washcloth. Uh-oh.
Just turn them upside down, stick them
Where's
in water.
John? Where's John?
Yeah, I did.
Where's John? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, there's John.
And everything, all of it.
He's such a
But I'm
boy.
not spending. I'm not throwing it down. I have a lot more things I got. So I need that.
Where are you going? Boo-boo, come here. Come here, come on.
Monster.
John, how many clothes did you pack this kid? And you gave him shorts in the
He
summer.
packed 10.
Christina, you say that I don't pack enough clothes, so I packed this half his wardrobe.
You gave him shorts on like 35-degree day.
Okay. But what if there's climate control, climate change?
And you just gave him a whole bunch of shirts, no pants, and shorts.
It's not my fault he's a
And a
nudist.
diaper that's an infant
Knuckle me.
diaper? What were you
I don't even have infant diapers.
Knuckles.
You're a bunch of liars.
Sweater?
Knuckles.
That's gonna be the thumbnail for the video.
Knuckles. Knuckles.
Yes, I'll help you.
High five it.
Yes, what is it?
High five it.
What is it?
High five it.
You're tired?
High five it.
Here, hold this. You want to review the tablecloth? Let's review the tablecloth.
Yeah, it's pretty
Let's review this. How many threads is this?
I don't think it's any threads.
There's no threads? What's the weight limit? What's the durability?
Pretty good because we just ate on it and it's becoming very clean.
Interesting. Not so interesting.
Very
Look at that.
nice.
Say hello.
Hello!
Tell me what you did today.
Not much. Went to work, you know. Same old, same old.
What did you do today?
Oh, I'm so proud. Our little baby demon. Making little monster noises.
Is he doing it?
Ah! Clap hands. Clap hands. Clap hands. Ah!
Ryan, Victoria, Christina, John, JJ.
Yes.
Sunblock works.
Sunblock. How does sunblock work?
Okay, so basically, if you get burned
We're gonna learn about how
in
sunblock
10
works.
minutes or 15 minutes, then basically,
Tell me that.
so you would put
Give me a
sunblock on SPF 15.
Mhm.
So if you burn in 10 minutes,
No, you
you
can't
get
see
that
me.
SPF 15,
You can't see
15
me.
times 10, and that's how long you
JJ,
won't get burned for.
you can't see
Hello, this is educating. Like, you would learn how to use sunblock in the summer.
All right. We could do a whole YouTube episode on how to use sunblock.
Whatever.
It is so mad. Christina automatically picked up her phone. Oh,
Check
Panny Annie.
Well, it's Uncle Bry. Always check with the HCP if the child is taking acne meds, sulfonamides, tetracycline,
Yay!
pills.
Yay! Yay!
Hello? Hello?
Hello,
Victoria?
Victoria.
Brian said.
Victoria?
please. I'm watching.
Always check the doctor if you are taking sulfonamide, NSAIDs, birth control, or acne meds.
For what?
For sun exposure.
You have to check with the doctor if you're gonna go in the sun. Okay.
Wait, what'd you say?
What do you think of these leggings?
JJ!
Those are cute. Yeah, get those. I like them. You like them? I like them.
Ryan, tell him to say Danza.
Adanda.
Good boy.
He's smiling.
Yeah, looks like you're gonna pull his arms off.
I'm not gonna pull his arms off.
Don't pull my son's arms off. What, John? Alright, good night, Herbs.
Wait, man.
Come here, baby.
Go figure out Daisy.
Bye, boo boos.
Pop hunting?
Hepcast.
Alright guys, so we're going to end the vlog for the day. I'm going to start to do some editing on the video so we can have it up tonight so everyone can watch it tomorrow. And Christina and JJ are sleeping, so now it's time for me to do all this stuff. And a cool thing, I got a box from Entertainment Earth. So there will be an unboxing video tomorrow on what's inside the box. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe. Comment below any questions or comments or ideas that you have so we can take a look and, you know, get better at this YouTube thing. So until then, thanks guys. Bye.